Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the SpareBank 1 app stuck on loading screen. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. Then, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, then reopen it. Temporary glitches can often cause the apps to freeze on the loading screen. Next, restart your phone to refresh the system and remove background issues. Then, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the SpareBank app and update the app to the latest version if you have not updated it. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes updated. If the problem continues, uninstall the app and reinstall it to remove any corrupted files. Now, if it still does not work, wait for some time and try again because the issue may be from bank servers. That's how you fix the SpareBank 1 app stuck on loading screen. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and